Also, what you want today? Teach you how you get juice with a sponge. And these sponges, yeah. So, yeah, we'll show you. First, yeah. Conditioners. They usually be at the beach, they usually come right there. So first you get, rub and get some. What you can get, like this. I will just get some on my hand. You can see. I did. Do this. Yeah. I'm taking some money. My hand. And to this fake. So. So I prefer you to use this side once you get done grabbing your names at the show. I prefer you to use this side. If you want to, you can use the spiky side. But I like this one better because it twists better. Oh, sure. So then you just rub it on top. Don't push on it hard. Just rub on top. So once you start seeing tools coming in, just don't push on it hard. Just turn it in fast. Don't push it on it hard. Don't push on it. Just set it on top of your head. You know what I'm saying? Then just. You know what I'm saying?
It's kind of cold out here now. Okay, is this what put it back in there? Yeah. Look at this, like Mama likes that. Okay. Then if you want to do it, go ahead and what?
And then once you do that, you want to put some of this on one finger, muffin, and then just roll it around and sit on your hand.
Is this side still coming out? Is it? I can't see it.
And then you just put
Oh my
on
God,
spots.
guys. It is cold out here. Yeah, it's like a ram. It's supposed to push you. Yeah. No, it's like a ram.
Okay.
It's supposed to blow
Put
up.
on
Look at David over
like
there.
a twisty.
What is it doing?
And then this one, it get a
So,
curve.
y'all French out there and tag him and say, you ugly.
And then,
Hashtag Bianca
see
says.
this?
Look at him. I'm about to zoom in on him. What in the world is that?
Hard on this
Oh
part.
my goodness.
And like this.
Somebody needs to
Not
forgive
pretty
me.
hard.
What
Like
the
this.
hell?
Watch me.
Somebody's a
See
gorilla
that
is on the
one?
loose.
See
The
that one?
gorilla is on the loose.
This. And then this.
Then the person everybody see nobody get him. What?
Yeah. Huh?
Okay, go. DJ, he's scared of water. What is he doing? First of all, I'm cold.
Don't mind music, and don't mind golf. I got two rings. It's not gonna have it. It's in my room so I can watch the game. So, just, you know, I like to use it and hold it like this, my finger through the spiky part, and then the spiky side, I put it on and hold on the spiky. Then put my thumb in, and just, I did that for grip, like that, but might not, so. It comes in, so I start doing on top, okay? And let me show you like this part. You can see what Pokemon. My hair went down. If you can see it. No. I'm gonna take the cross. On camera, it looked like it still is. But in person, it don't. So if you see me, I mean, not like real, I'm going to sminky.